What's your name?
Arturo?
And you've never been adjusted before, right?
No.
Okay. And no really problems though. You just kind of want to check it out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. So basically, you're coming in here with no problems, and you're gonna leave barely walking. No, I'm just kidding. Where you normally have most of your soreness? In the lower back. Okay. A little ticklish.
No, I'm a little nervous.
No. All right. So we're just gonna loosen up the muscles here for a second. There it is. How's that feel?
Good.
Right in here.
That felt good.
That felt good?
Yeah.
Oh. Drop good. Was that what you expected?
Yeah, that felt good.
Okay, good.